Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. For those new here, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. It will really help spread this video to more people. These videos will move pretty fast, so if at any point you need more time you can pause the video, adjust the speed from the player's bottom right corner or check the GitHub repository in the description. So let's get started with today's video where we'll deploy our website to Netlify. Netlify is a tool that provides an intuitive online interface for deploying websites in just a few clicks. What's more, it's completely free for unlimited projects for one person, making it ideal for personal websites and small projects. It also offers you some easy-to-use integrations like Lambda Functions, Authentification, form submissions, large media, split testing, analytics, assets optimization, and more. So let's start by getting ready our website. I just made a simple website for this with some HTML and CSS. Next, we'll go on our GitHub account and create a new repository. Next, we'll connect this new repository to our website. As I don't have Git initialized for this project, I'll first run git init to create an empty repository. After that, I just copy-paste the git remote command to add this remote to our repository. One thing that I have to do before pushing this to Git is create a git ignore file. I do this because I don't want to push some of the files to Git. Now we are ready to push our website to GitHub. And as we can see, our website was successfully pushed to GitHub. Now it's time we move to Netlify. You can just go to app.netlify.com/start. I'll leave that in the description. If you don't have an account, you'll register first and after that you'll see this page. As we use GitHub for this one, just click on the GitHub button. After that, go ahead and give Netlify permission to access your GitHub repository. Now we are back on Netlify, we can click our repository. Here, if you have just a simple HTML, CSS, JavaScript website, you can move on and click deploy. But if you use the static site generator like Gatsby or Angular, for example, you'll need to provide the build command and build folder. Now your site will be built and deployed just in a few seconds. After it's been published, you can go ahead and click the link to see your website. So that was it for today. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you next time.